Songa.
I'm watching.
Minto bwakire. I'm live.
Oh.
Oh, my God. Minto bwakire. When you come in on the screen, you can see the stars. Please give me stars. The stars convert into cash, and then we are going to take that cash to a chintakana for Christmas. As you can see, now we are Christmas. So I'm calling everyone to come in to donate what they can to a Christmas this year. And if you are able to create a group, join the group so you can help us in food distribution. We are going to go to 2 districts, we see Kisii and Nyamira. So when you come in, you're going to tell us the location you're in, Abandenko and Morinka for Christmas. So we are still deciding as to Kogolendagira Koru. Endagiri ndenere andoche bagotebanga Nairobi nere cheaper, abandi bagotenga gusi nere cheaper, but usually tokogolendagira kurugusi, and then we distribute it. So please ninde tayarega ne mpesa number yane chaka gutuma chibese echiga abantu mbalinga batumire ndochinga abantu batano batumire ko rutwachagite campaign enamba ya mpesa no erabu kali chishiringi 10 ntubwate lisa sekite to kota support libwate $1,000 igombosa kotosa gochanga $1,000 nera tomachi 1,000 erabe biyasana. So please chaka gutuma chibese echo and 10 shillings na motaru chibese chibinge bali muri Kenya noru no en shilingi isano mpesa ngwanjiri shilingi isano abantu bali muri USA karu $10 yeah cash app number no eregabu so we can feed these kids yeah tuganda abiko gotero kumura ibo either current situation they are to go kwani This morning, Radio Citizen had a discussion. Yeah, teen pregnancy. That's the discussion to abantu baita baka young people. Abantu tokoroka young people na bana bare between the ages of 13 to 18. Abana baka. The biggest issue ndo chega iga na bomoko argument wasuli otageto korosia point na bago kwane point yae. I am still going back to the parents. Muna na ligere iri ndoche no ina masasi na machuma amenyetega iga America. I'm challenging the parents. I'm challenging abayiboli bali omanyetenga abana n'abawe into tweka as people, into tweka as amasase, into tweka as amachuma. There is a big problem we have. We are not modeling good behavior sabana baitu. We are not using social media in a good way. We are not building relationships with aunties and uncles. Chikamati, chirichiko nyara kukwana n'abana. We are not building relationships with abangi na koro bagwente kukwana n'abana. Bono konyoru muswati gaetaniti na nyina byaraga. Muswati gaetaniti n'umusachoye. Gaetaniti n'abana bamwabo. Urute yogo kwanira abana gaiga iroka mono gaiga America lakini ndochi bina naro chunchwari yakoteba na Kenya na bi problem iri. Amasase we have taken so much time somya kogenda chiskuru biya tosomete. Twairire chiza chinyinge kweros kubika makeup biya tokorekana. Twairire chiza chinyinge kogura chinyumba chingia. Twagachira abayibuli Kenya. Twakorire ibintu bingi sana. But you know what? Egento kyogo kumipi. Egento nkumeti, in fact nkumeti sana. How disinterested abaswati bali n'abana babo. This is the new generation yamasase. These women are between the ages of Peter Ninkorochi. Abaswati bali the ages of 18. In fact inta itemba bekere mpaka 40. Abaswati bali disinterested n'abana babo. Zero interest. Yani and in from the old school na babako nyagontenga andi from the old school. Lakini nga kyumo swati okonyoro mwana otali na acha no mwana no nyina asimini. Tuli na acha no nyino goikaransa iga oikaransa no mwana okonyo mwana no nyino homework. Tuli na acha igo ikaranso oiro mwana no nye out araragera. I mean like abaswati bali ga America bali disinterested na bana babo completely zero interest. Kugicha bache social media babeke chibicha babeke chifilter chi weekend banywa marwa yani bare disinterested. And guess what? Tali ntutoko ba judge tuchako ba chi judge. Tali ntutoko ba togo cha toba change ryo bogima. Ekero ocha konyoro mwano ocha goncho yonyoro mwano oikire emyaka elia waikire bono omwana agokora ebintu ebyo eri ogocha konyora bono chinguru kyakwereire nonye nabasacha bukuliska wakeire nonye n'ubutaya yugo gokora wakeire imagine bina amasese narega bono iga ako abwate chi affair extramarital affairs umoswati okuru mwao kwagenda wachikumira umusacho ndisiko ko bwato umusacho onyomba ko bwatika no musacho oli obwate isiko agukorera ebintu ko bwatika no musacho oli obwate isiko agokwachi gose gwakora ki. As we talk right now abantu bali bamenyetega iga America, this has been happening ndatebe ane emyaka 5 bono iga because abantu bali married iga America mbali kwenda Kenya together okonyora umuswati yakwenda na on kwanyora umusacha yakwenda on his own. Bantu bangi mbali kwenda Kenya bono nche onye no tomenyetega iga na pite kinyoro nachaka kuiba pita chaka komiba twamenya kurororo twabanga kuru America twaruga iga twagenda Kenya kero twaitwe ikire Kenya bono airport no ine chindege tukugora ticket ama tukabwata ine togo ikali twakwani abayibuli bwangu twakwani abayiri bwangu abali Mombasa amasase alemete umukungu bwata abana umukungu iboleta abana bayanje tabana baye kwali nendege kuruwega no musacho bandi kwaenda mpaka Kenya wowe ika Kenya kwaenda mpaka Mombasa kwego kino musacho bandi ugokagete nga Nyasaye takorochi. In fact this is a crisis. Amasase muamentru bukaya yu sana nande muliko takamote ebigumina ninu mubwata magoso basacha mbaliko tebunga na balita itibate ebunga mbwata magoso. When it's all said and done mbura abana nabo musacho teen pregnancy no nyega iga America gende tokoendera because some of us women into abanyene ntwesigeti na irole ire topic ya my dress my choice chi activist chi goteba nga umoswati na atarabusa tigatale nono ngatiga to bundisa bamuramba basako bakuna totarabundisa bamuraba mbaku n'abaswati aba umwana waraba raped ayo mwenye no be raped otaraika go sebu abamurabo ocha kubarusia amaruma abandi madawa ya kulebyo bakunyu umenye go cha kororube otebya abantu nka yaya bono tubabundisira bamura otaraika zo kubundisa bamura umwana noyo umwana tali umuntu ndi bwensi amachuma tocho on your side amachuma manga amarua abayirire pi bono konyoro di chuma lire so frustrated otindete throughout abana bali bare in the villages batindete throughout okonyora nga iso tato mino ga atindete ayo otindete omochokora atindete 3 generations tindete all the time amachumoro chora atinda all the time murabona ko ire lisa selibaga ligende lichikoiru Mombasa ko ire lisa selibaga lini endege koruga iga America ligende Kenya lichikolierwa ali ku Mombasa as in really morally yani to give it up ondite yokumet kende Jones igore yabana babaito ondite yokumet kende Jones kolemerera nitutware chi family ondite yotegete kende Jones atwara maskani nandi bona abantu bandi bakagete nga chibese kero umusubati anyodri chibese kero umusacha abwate chibese mwaka nga ko financially stable ono you don't need morals. It is a lie. Chibese na chichigere temi chande mengeri skabese is not going to replace morals. Unaboko ba excellent yot obe umuntu watemere memi kabisa lakini you don't have morals. We are not worried about our children. We are worried about chibese chi investment gutuma chibese uchikenya. And that brings us to these children that we are talking about today. Abana batuko bateringa tumango chibese to konya abana bachintakana. Nange neto kwana tinda rondika gutuma chisiringi 10 tuma chisiringi 10 chi abana please. Inamba no era abwe mpesa number. Tuma chibese nalyo tura abana bachintakana in a Christmas. Nande inambi inwe yetiganye imbenye somera abandi batariko rasi nyepineti. Tiganye soma 17 58 30. Inamba ya mpesa 8717 583 030. Ntomere chibese. Wakukulwa acha kulwe. Everyone is out here cheating. I agree with you. Oichoe, they are doing it and you know what? It is pathetic. And it is even the abantu manyete abantu sibete. It is pathetic. Tumachibese chichi abana 717 583 3030. Tochake kubanga munanga kitoko abana numbers. And then that brings me to these children that we are talking about. Asendwete iwondwete asakurokwa Yesima nere bwate aschi ekwere ndeli town area lie bwate chintakana chinyinge. I'm told my home no chintakana chiri chinyinge. Let's talk about chintakana chis for 1 minute. Aba iri ababane usaba iri bawo manyite. Abana bande gali bali chintakana kubwate kananga abayibuli bali gokole emirimo bakanyore eka accident barakwa wose nga bakarwara uburwaire natural cause bagakwa abantu abange bakwete batigete chintakana abanye n'abantu abange barositi bad choices umuntu wanjete kunywa marwa umuntu anyweta maru mpaka agakupi. I have cousins banyweta maru bachite school bagasomi buya talinga bagasomi bu abayibuli bakabasomi chianti ni chianko chigasomi abana kera abana baba successful bakonyuru nekenyoro bakalikwemeremo niba bakwire na back bacha ku give back to their community bakachaka kunywa marwa. Omanyenga bona my aunties moyo bali nabo bwata abana bali chintakana abana baba bwata chintakana is a product y'abasacha abawusaba kungwa babanyole temeremo bakalikwa nandi kali ngangina na ise babasometi ebasomiri n'abantu bandi bayirana bachaka kukorobo kayayo abandi bagakuna amarwaire abandi bagakuna n'amarwa chintakana chirige simani chinyinge sana nandi abantu barimo who come from that area. It is not a secret. Na ndi kwenye kukwana sex is a secret. Sex is secret. Dige lya bantu bali bakweta ali se kenyore batigite tabangina kora abana. Inki balenge bakora, they were professionals. Abandi they had very good jobs. Abandi they are highly educated. Lakini asingenjo ya maruna sex. Ebinte bikaya yuba kolete bikababeke mbere yi. Ekero ko ende mbere ime watiga abana batano. Kwa ende mbere ime watiga abana 10. Kwa ende mbere ime my cousin oyomo Ryan, I'm on phone. My cousin oyomo akwete agatiga abakungu bane n'abana. Abakungu wawa abwato yonde Mombasa. Abwato yonde wose nakuru. Abwato yonde wose ngai. Bonekero banyoro uruire bonse bibagakwa. Bonse bibagakwa the women plus yero monyene. Abana aba bonse yatigete wose 12. Agatigera nyina. Nyina omongi gotu. Ngaki omongi no yomogotu akolinda abana. Ask yourself. Oisho is saying it's pathetic from church to workplaces and schools. What a moral decay. It is so bad. In fact, ngo kumibo mono na n'abantu bali manyete nchepeni. Abantu mayete go interact na barabuo. Babegete number 1 is at least yabo number 1 is so egento kiabegetanga is sex, good sex. How they get it, it's not their problem. Bamenye kuroro babe good sex yacha number 1, number 2 na marwa. Ngakiriendo go kole ento taranywa ma. No babegeta marwa buntumire 10 shillings nangende to kwana ya nimba kanyete. Please, imbegete number ya Safaricom rega ready. Ntumire 10 shillings chiaba now. These people chikazinze chichiane ose chikazinze chichiao mbakwete na gari ya wete ebakwete because yobo kaya bwabo batete to stick to one person. Amarubone karabanyore tembere mumno montolikire abwatembere magwaka no element y'umuntu cross no 40-50,000 shillings. Umosara uyimoki umosara uri wonspi o plant y'umukungu kericho o plant y'umukungu ndi Mombasa o plant y'umukungu ndi wose nkitale. Abakungu aba bonse bona ndi bina barabake nabakayayu bakungu abambali bina bali bakale babo mama bali gutubanganya baganya bagaka babo uno gotugo mukungu Mombasa uno mosacho ndago soine uno gotugo mukungu Kisumu uno mosacho ndago soine. Wona aye turi kumanya ukatenga n'abakungu bawo nyomete with your 40,000 shillings yoko nyomo mutini ani mwaira ni robo rwere nani bali kukunga dorino chiri kubayeresa bantu bali kuyigwa dorino batebiri nga tigako tebunga no wate HIV and AIDS wakwa pibono ibo obatebiri nga you can live with this disease abantu ababande bagukwa after bakwenwe results ngabono gore positive omoyo bakubayera batenga nabona akuga this research dorin oyibole tuna HIV nando basomiri batebiri nga tigako kwa upon receiving diagnosis tigako kubo tigabana bawo bagucandika when you can take your medication, when you can adjust your lifestyle, when you can get help through counseling iba gogo kwa otigerenya kukora abana amina bana your mother romongi no mogotu o dependent on you nga wogo chagulikwa no chomokonye lakini bono ukaenda ugaswasi kitabu cy'ubukaya yu ukagenda ugaswa kitabu cy'ukunywa mara. Simba stop. Kenya stop. No, that's the mailman. I said stop, Simba. Kenya stop. So abayibuli naye ba dependent on ngaga kyumwana no tigagenda nyole miremo gakonyole miremo achago nkonye kisese chinchimbere tikere kwamenya konyora ngabona umuntu nero konywa maruka bisa nero konywa onywa mushara bwonsi no ine school fees tabwati nanyore kisiringi komigambi yamono ntomere kisiringi komikoranje cyabana Oh, somebody is at the door? Yani, nga into adults to go teach the chimbe. Tumenya go chasa abantu abakweruka ngana gwabasani, abantu abakweruka abasani. ngoko nyoro umusani abwata abasubati bane batano umusani taraon no ene seed no ene yem wona abasubati bawo chikoranga nyarebe litali ali asokire gaiga kiro umusubati no ataita aminyo kare gusana nyore kende abasani abade some of them they are struggling mbabwati no ene chibese bagwakana chi amadeni abasi bamenyete abandi mbabwati no ene indagera chitabi chito chi into tueka abanyene chiabere so bad okonyora umuntu manyete biya pyogote nga nero kora ekanisa yabo umuntu bwate affair umuntu abwate affair kinero ko onero ko okoliem oko abantemese kanisa morally nga kyo kwa abantemese kanisa ekero chitabiche chirimo nande minto tora destroy the next generation ingoto chakoyegete Ngoto chakoyegete kero chakoikangere ligeteke turatringa abana aba ngoto chakoyere liegete nanda machuma turakwanire go teen pregnancy amachuma inu muri tayare uikaranza na abana bayino abana abaiseke babire 12 13 mukwane igoro ya sex ngomutagetaga bakwanire amangana yaba sex because abangi bayino ninu mokwenda na abana baba 13 14 abangi bayino ninu mokwenda na baka mo komo friend yao mukawa abasani yani amachuma amange because abwate conscious yani nyasayo maite nabanchi mubwate conscious because mubwato bokaya yu motagete kuire topie mugambi abana because musogete anye komaite ngaye tubuye chogeti okoranga aki faida tiyo nya ukwana manganaya encho monyene njeti tinyebwate tibuya you understand you are shying away from the topic when you know ninu mogo kolebinte ninu mogo kolebintebi ninu mogo korobo kayayu ninu mogo tumia abana basinini ninu mogo tumia ne kanisa muhangire wikaransa n'abana bayino mu batebi na gokorobo tomani utaranyuma gotumye gotete gokorobo tomani tumie condom ebinte biberete emirememe kon because ekero mwatindire because amaruna arabachandire ekero mwatindire muri ko nyara we control bona nga yoko ruselio chinguru chiko kambiri umwana umwise ko omukani ngo botaya inobobe ayo monyene wendete gutaya amachuma mwatonyarira abandi bano mukuruga iga America mwachikoliya basubati abana basininya barabeke golikiya abana bayino na umoko ende mwachikoliya Kenya ngakyuro chura chega iga America kwa no mwana wo mwiseke omukani ngo botaya inobobe onyayo monyene iso omwana nayo kwenda gwachikwenda ni mwana bisinini onyaye iso omwana nayo kunywa maruko abanini misi yawo onyaye iso omwana nayo kwenda gwachikoba no muamate muko muamate yani twaikira ase morals kitayo nga kitogo chikobeke golike go chikwenda gosio abana batogo kina abana banginjo kibago chakoliba onye intwe abayibuli baito batorogete kitabichingiya onye intwe abayibuli baito besigete bagakora ibintu buna bari gukora onye intwe abayibuli baito mbakorete bukaya yubu intu togokora abando twakinete n'abayibuli besigete abando twakinete n'abayibuli babwata masikani onye intu ntori gukora kitabye kichingiya eboli ngabana abatokoro kitabye kitotindete kerenza eboli ngabana abatokoro nganti yakwenda nanko eboli kegoli ketogo kina nga ta mosacho nago tebe abana bane nga nabwatete mamo mino gakwenda na anko nyarebe nabwatete mamo mino gakwenda na anko nyarebe bono ngotigana toli ngakyo amasasi muko yugumotari gosoka ekero umwana wago tebu nango tigande mamo mino because mamo mino gabwato ngotaya yali ingiye ko gara to ikira sotaro chibosoku nande ngo batebi ngabone ibintu bya change nga that those are things of the past nandi tigankwane n'amasasi abwata abana basinini because abasacha mbali ko yuguna toko yugo amasasi bali mu bwata abana basinini onye ko bwata abana bare 18 na below ntegerere 18 and below tiga bali banyorera abana ba 18 bakali chi college abasubati mulega iga mundigereti obwato mwana ore 18 and below modeling ekyoko model to your children is everything enye nchoko kore ibintu mwaho is everything enye nchoko kwabuse nyumba yaho is everything enye nchoko kwanira isabana baho is everything amasacha yakolia chinis chiabo amasacha na bwa evangelist del bakolia bana basinini in fact inkumetie handi abandi bakali goteba nk'abakungu bakubalina abakungu batingite chijinsi bakorara ne chijinsi amasase kiwanji toka rusino nandi ku understand yigenteke ky'abasacha. Why can't you onye gwanchira umusacho teko mwalimu mutinyi? Why can't you try and meet sexual needs cy'umusacho? Lakini is not a reason for umusacha chikoba ni nis. Is not a reason for umusacha chikoba ni jirani. Is not a reason for umusacha chikoba ni sister yane. Kareke usi musacha tali koina ne sister yane. Abagere bali bakora ibintu ibona bawusi bachire bachakire korana n'abaswati baminto. Kinde moyo umusacho ona aru antige gitanda agenda chukuriye sister yane. Nande sister yane singe nera bwatu busaitani nera anjarale n'umusacho. Abono no twikira samangana yobukayayo. Toira n'amasasali yabwata abana below 18. Wono igana bogo tinda paka kwaruka kubwata abana basinini. Wono igana bogo tayaya togocha nyomba. Kwabere birawo mbuya. Wono igana bogo taragetirianda. Kwabeka chimbere isiko mpako moelio. My dress my choice. Beka chianga chinyenge mpako akoro kia maguru kwa ikaransa maguru kwa igora maguru. Chibeke chiange chinyenge bono. Okay? Taya yaboga kia kwanire ise abana bunutagete kora ibintu byose byotagete gukora bono iga. Lakini amatunda aho na ochonyalie ekero umwana yabeire myaka 18. Ekero umwana yago chakuru mwagende college na li umwana yago chakogotebi na orumukayayo. Ekero umwana yago chakogoikaransa gotebi nga tuli muya. Ekero umwana yago chakotenga I can't stand you. Ekero umwana yago chakotenga wuru mumwino mobe sana. In fact entongo kuminga abaswati abagutara busa bali nabana abaswati abara bakaya bali nabana egento kyogo kumya barabu bagoteba ngabone bigori bya chenchiri ibintu biri byabo mama ubochinga boli bwabo mama twabutigire bagotenga ngaki yabona bochubosyo bintu rigo chako ondite yogokea onye musacha tarigo koga simutige bwango sana onye musacha tarigo korera mauga ligyo yonde egento kyugo kuminga abaswati ababwate attitude ye abandi mbabwata abana abaiseke mbakumeti bagotenga tiga kebeki ko bakitaumana kiumane koko menye wiki myaka getegego kuumana kwamenya konyora naye bye kuri musacho yogo tigire kwame wichaka gotenga abasacha nababe kwame wichaka gotenga maimade no mobe wachaka gotebechika matu no mobe chimbera kinya basasa mange morally you are not right nane nabatebi abandi bakunya kondiye inbox ngangonere tamasase abana nabaho inkikaranya saya ko etabana inkiata abikire tabane enda yo musacha nande enarative yengo teba tari rasmu bwati ayegenderera gutayaya genderera gukora ubukaya in your neighborhood genderera ko kuri abasacha babande genderera kuri gici ogasimu diya abasacha bali bago kwegento mpaka goisanika watiga abana nyombo mukungo murunge kwagenda mpaka nyomba yo musacho ndi kwa rusichi yango tigito musacho nyomba nga negento kuri giisanike kichitege isano yichitege 10 kwamenya kuira na Neke moni okomaga magoka yete ngondi tamanyiti abandi mwabwatiru obokaya you of the highest degree inki yokaranya saya anchete akabeka umwana asengina inki yokaranya saya anchete akakorango mukungu nero kubuguli abana inki yokogera masase akoba amasase na yokoleto boro nyumba mwawo onye konyuko konyoru musacho mukaya yu umusacho gogoita musacho tari kwenda meremo yenda se township mu nganya ngora teko chaka go compete no musacha ngaka go cheat naye gwa cheat kwenda kurara isiko naye kwarara isiko ngani chi lesson yoko tete ko basomi ngakyo go somi umonte lesson otabugole ti umwana ama sase I am telling you right now injenimbo to mwese ko 19 years old ekiru umwana wa ikiru umwana mwese kako go challenge go so uchikori ibintu geto umwana wago kora tali go chako kora bono bno kora uche bono kali kwebisa umwana webona ago chakoba worse than you umwana yago chako kole ibintu biri kumo beke chera imo umanya kurororo uche kwebulinga where did I go wrong where you went wrong it's because we are telling women now especially abaswati ya mulega America calm down take care of your children. Calm down, take care of your family. onye ko bwato musacha or abusive, you need to leave the abusive marriage. But not otigo musacha o musubati yago tigo musacha o divorce omenya gochakoba no musacha on omusubati otigo musacha yengo musacha yo garo mutaya immediately mbali gukora no yende mitinyebere bachaka kurara n'abasacha babandi. This is what women are doing right now here. Ogo tigo musacha yago wa divorce kwamenya gochikorara no musacha obandi umanyite ngo musacha no yo bandi inkirinde watigera umusacha ochikorara no musacha obandi Karam tumere chibese nchiracha ichindi ninganyete please toma chibese cyabana tokonye chintakane iki ne chintakane iki chinde chintakana chirororo kubwatekana abayibuli babo bachito botaya ibagaitwa umuntu nabago cyagwake bunduki otiga bana umuntu nabago cyakobekere sumu otiga bana umuntu nabago tomu umuntu akobekere gento okwe otiga bana because you bokaya young people ninwe a target audience yani all the time onye koro a young person otagete go chakobo gumabwa fresh ntagete mbatebi na it is possible o chakobo gumabwa fresh. You can always sit down ono igan December tole na achira every day nkonya ko igoro na batayitinga liyo monto gokotongie taye tia kuli yo monto gokurangaringa inchutu chikunywa marwa tia kuli yo monto gokuigererio chukokubeka asa okwa marwa akogosalia ebintu liyo monto gokotenga inchutu golengo keyemo inchutu oni avocado inchutu chake gokole ebyasara liya abantu young people angebane iga babwate discipline 2021 beka naamu young girls di irigani abaiseke bane omaite musukuligari muligani abaiseke bane. This is an example I'm using. Muligani abaiseke bane monde angeri monte ipeni tuabera abaiseke bane gaiga 4 girls to confirm nge yemole 4 girls monte ina peni tuanyol reduka iga keroka ose in fact nto tali rasma to igole duka keroka no tuanyol reduka gaiga gechauli ose tuanchire to sonere asegete peniga akili yenchera otogolera echararani inche bono nchake kuli abasani bali banembwate mbarangiri nangaki nimbwata abana baiseke bane batategitwe chugokoro botaya batategitwe sabachi bus fare abana babane to baechararani abana babane chicherarani echi bachake gosona bakole gento gete haya tiga chicherarani abana bande babwatane batebenga ulimo bono igo bole mimbukali na monte tote banyimna abana baroro anda masasinali ga igamanye tale willing gokonya all the time amasasinaro rachirane atayituko chaka kukolime ebitungo naro tonyorane nanda masasanda 5 tote bemnangaki ayependi kali 100 noyo ndali 100 200 twaba iseka aba 4 girls bachake kolime ebitungo mugende mugondo motiko bugmo bwa glamour motiko bugmo bwo kodiye unabasacha kwa kanu chibese nabasacha inaligeli discussion ina share in the video in the page kera bago kwa negere teen pregnancy ya Kenya abasubati abange bako obolito kubwatika nabasacha bako bachibese ko ba bribe amasasura imoko gendo chake giticha kiao ochake kon skuma yao ochake kon rina uri yao ochake from something onyoro umuntu gokubwate siago teinga imoka inchuga iga tokole iga inyole 4 boys na 4 girls tuchake obole minaru nyole 4 boys 4 girls tuchake gusona tuchake gusona chianga onyole 4 boys and 4 girls mubwatane muchake kubeka chingoko cyamagenda ye chingoko nane kano mwaro siri amagenda ye chingoko tumanye ko bayiri abantu bakubaguri nibaga mukunye gwetana na iska amoko libintu bukaya yibono bigo cyakubabeka mukwe mutaramenye obuguma bwino. Ninde group ya masase igotore 30 women. Let me tell you, 30 women as a group yetole igotokuru 7,000 shillings kero motini 7,000 a group ere very simple 7,000 shillings to abedi record 2018 kero yomo itakuru 7,000 shillings with time twaguliro bolimo bono twakero monto bagiro bolimo ngo cyakatore ko lemege sima. We are doing projects. One of the things that I discovered in that group, many of them do, they are reading books. Oh no, amasase we are reading this book. There is a group yogosome bitabu. This group, come January, we are reading this book. This book is called Think and Grow Rich. A group yama sasa alinde investment group. They are able to put away 7,000 shillings for save every month. Every month 7,000 we kachika in the account. What all of them is about the 15, slightly not even 15, 60% yaba swat balibali in that group. They read books. This is the fastest way to remove yourself in a bad situation. Amasase, I want to speak to you today. If you're in a bad situation, start getting yourself out of a bad situation by reading books. Onye kore married, ebitabu mbirega iga, no ene gitabu ikigia TD Jakes, gitabu ikigia TD Jakes, kebuate 6 pillars, chia Ephesians, to celebrate marriage. Nga kyo onye kwa soire nyomo kwenyolire nyomo. Umaite chinyomo chonsi pinchibuate bottom line. Umaite chinyomo chonsi pinchibuate shared problems. Umoswati onde agonze kiboire nga, when it rains everywhere. Teriko chora seko rain, ya rain one place, ya tiga another place. When it rains everywhere. Onye wa choose the marriage. Why can't you find the 6 pillars that are going to put your marriage together? This one is another writer.
Hi.
Just say.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
This one is Peter M. Kallis. This is a very good book too. Timothy Usengo toka Kenya. Onye wachakire kwa chori nga notete kwa ende nyomo. Rose, how are you? Now kwani the early years of marriage. This book is very good. I've discussed this book before. The early years of marriage. Chi chapter chibwatega iga chiri chingia sana. Whatever adjustment once you get into marriage, how you going to adjust, the newness of life, okay? The whining, the complaining. Omanya gocha marital harmony. Omanya gocha marital wellness. Omanya gocha expectations. Expectations nere kubne nyuomo. You understand? Expectations nere number one reason yabantu bagotigana. If you expected to mo kusawa chakole, if you expected to mo kungwa kole, it is not met. Who is your mate? Kwa manyiro monto yokwa nyuoma tenga garo mworo no mokolu na gokorale mirimo nanchite koluga nanchite kwabusa igare hoda no topic chigeta week. What is the definition of a good marriage? Right ye ya chite gakora homework. Inki a good marriage ye wente go entail. Kwa rode kine gitabo gosoma. What is a loving eye? No matenga no ligere lyo monto musacho eliso age echu paka age echu ta okwanira just looking no nye ko bigete birore. Nagora agechu monto mpaka yani agechuwe. What is that eye? A bad eye. Friendship in marriage. How can you be friends? How do you deal with your siblings, your in-laws, friends and siblings? How do you deal with them once you decide to be married? Okay? Communication. Nga kimogo communicate. What is your language of communication? Ngui karansa more once a week. Mwabora ninga gentogete mne intuto bwate dituko wikaransa twabora and we are lucky nturiko kora mere we end up in bed every night 7 days a week no muga commento by 9 p.m. all of us are home 9 p.m. na dito wikaransa twasaba n'abana twabori abana ngakenenkero mutete bateba yaya after 9 y'abana bachire ntubwate wana aba no mugaka between 9 and 10 tororo wesikenenkero togo tetego catch on. This week, yeah, we have 9 to 10 iga to arari. So what is a good fight? Sometimes you fight. Koko nywa nole no mosacho, onko nywa nole no mokungu. Kwa menya kuroro kwa muramange muishoyo. Kwa rama mukai hisaganeki. Kwa rori. Wono orocho rara momonto. Na hade mambinga kimugo cha gosanga. Torochibono, there's a problem. Ita wiki ita highlights. Ngekero mukoruana. Ruana na maskani, wose disagree na maskani. In-laws, wabwate topic ya in-laws, nga kimogo set boundaries. Taliri chuma lienya kogarangeli na lienya gosoera mukaye. You understand? Nga kiyogo deal na in-laws. Career, wono nyo muswati uchire no mo engineer. Muswati ne doctor, muswati ne nurse, muswati ne professional, muswati na bwate biasara. Umusacha na no bwate biasara. Chi career choice chino nga kimogo choose nga kimogo balance career na family na abana. Kwa rondre? This is the discussion they are having. bamenye kuroro bachake kokora ngaki moko manage chibese chenyu kero moko nyora chibese onye gokonyora $100 no musacho onyora 200 chibese cheno nchiro on the table. These are the things that could break marriage, because bese cheno nchiri discussed nga irenga okonyora irenga togwaka ne nyumba irenga togokora investments irenga tokurera abana abandi bayino bali murega iga America muri go save chibese cy'abana cye college ngaki mubangete mucha kuira abana bayine college igumotegeta abana bayino bakole emirimo una twakolete twakole emirimo butuko twagende college maya mambia ikiko gorora atako mwana acha go struggle bina wa struggle tegese ikaransa no mongino omotebe every pay period tobeka $100 away tuirera abane community college. A community college naboko baye associate degree ya 2 years emyake yende nabarabo batengana inuboni bange because naba America bali kwarara. That is something that you need to discuss. Tali ngo kwenyora basaye ngabana bayikire college ngo sign loan mukungu tata itugo sign loan musazi tata itugo sign loan mwana tata itugo kolameremo wono mwanyoro mwana gwangire college gose mwana tali kwenda college kwarara. Sexuality mwakwane gore sexuality agree nganga ki muswati nali na kwane tenere otebeti mugakoye sex 7 days ta kunyara 6 days ta kunyara akamotebi chora matukata tutumirana nago isaniki bono manyete na bumu wene temo ywane ngaki abande mbaroro bale no koganyo konge kubwa abande mbaroro bale no koganira moyigo ikero kwanyomira omonto turi kumanyo ngaki sexuality yayere paka kwa munyomire mwamenyire nalioza kumanya nga yaya oyategete every day aya oyategete once in a while. So ikaranza mo discuss your sex life face to face igakoba gokwana kwarare. Spiritual strength ekanisa nere limo go chibine nchina lengo ma 7 day Adventist ngaralende ngatigi kanisa nkagenda ngachiko chaka kanisa ya Jumapili wono kwenda Assemblies of God. So we agreed that we are going to take one church lenge ya Jumapili nchengatire SDS. So it is something you need to agree. Tali umuswati ogenda Saturday umusacho ogenda Sunday kiro montako ya muislamu ogenda go same Friday. At least chora litukelimo likoro kweli family. Truth, this book covers this. Time together na but every time together is time and time again is very very important for me. Time together tokuruga once a month covid yachitega egatotiga twagenda twachete munabono twachete tukarabera matukabere tukaranste tukiri tugokwana mahana y'abana. Time together mutali nondi mutali matanga mutali baby shower mokwenda nonye eat out in mweka bana batayo. If you that's I'm talking about abantu batete ko chori nyuma young people tali ya makongo childbearing mwachakire konyora abana wikamo be intention nga ngoko chakobera nyumba n'abana teen pregnancy no yegochirago ngo parent abana ngo chikobe primary care. Truth, in our case inche na choleta kobe primary care inche kolinda abana, so it's not been a problem. Na baba akerale free na bono covid yachite incha working out of the house, he's working in the house na rule na abana. That is something you have to discuss. Alafu domestic chores ngo koruga ngo kwabusa ngo gokora gento gete omaite bintu mbiri nonye no koruga iza chinde gokonyora nga is a problem okonyora muswati orugire mpaka orosiri. So discuss nanga ki husband to rugire once a week, wife na bokoruga 4 days, because you need also to prepare fresh meals. So no chiketa week, it is a very good book. Geko highlight abantu batagete marriage orole mo osako somegeta week na bokonyora nga stay yatebete nga gendo musacho ndachiko gwisanikisiko asata tebete nga genda mbabu ati topic nga gendo mukungu ndiye chiko gwisaniki mbate nga masacha karungumbu mogende Kenya muchikuye kuliya abana babandi bichi university oromo batumye. It is mangana outside the marriage mokurusie marriage nyomba mwachikoire is totally covered in most of the books. So I want people to pick this book. We are going to start reading this book in January. Ama sasa bali moto itoko some kitabu yake with us. It's a group of us who are reading this book together. We are going to do 4 chapters. 4 chapters every week. This is our January book, and we are focusing on January because we want to, with money, because we want to plan our financial growth 2021. Imoki getabu yake onye gotaite comment group injua se group yetu so me getabu yake komo, but it's going to be a series and we would like your input, meaning we kokole homework. It's not just going to be a read. It's 4 chapters per week, and then we meet every Saturday to discuss what we have read. Minto, thank you so much. Tingonda ramwato machibesa abori ngakibono mwaira ngora yige chibesa ba minto to machibese tumira abana chibese tumira abana chibese nandi join ye WhatsApp group balimo gocha konyara ko otokonya kogenda on the ground wosonye nkoli gitori chi location. We share the locations where we are going to pass. Elinde balimore in those locations, you can help us distribute the food. And you can also help us no kwa bana a hug no go kwana na bana to encourage these children. We want these children to be encouraged by telling them in group ere nsengima ego chamo yabagolero bosibwa mandasi abana batware hope, abana batware yani batware ogosemelinga litukeli momba robotaka obume omuba kwanerego ya pregnancy. And to even make it worse, as I was listening to this program ya teen pregnancy, ngabana baroro bago trade sex for sanitary towels. You know, we opened this group to abana sanitary towels. There is no need for us to let abana but go trade sex for sanitary towels while it is $5. And you wait, $5 can last umwana a whole year. A padi okora a padi didn't get on one am. Somebody tell me how much is a pad ya 1 month. In fact, I need to know that before I never send one. Pads, a box of pads, someone out to me once a month, which we're saying. On your list, tell me. That's what I'd like to know. I don't think it's a lot of money. Now, we have 100 to 200 shillings. Pads, chair 1 month. 32 months. Pads, chair 1 month. Which we're saying in Kenya shillings. On your call Kenya, Komanyete, tell me how much is that. So that way, we can ask people who are not even aware that abayisikemba rabago trade sex for sanitary towels. Mbama itukutumia no ene birakabiria most of us kerutu aligo kina. Our mothers told us nganyo tubwati ebamba ire yange nkoro na chegetamba. Na andumanye those days ichari kolik because they were not as observant. But you know what? We had to find a way to protect the period not to come out. Who can tell me before I log off? I would like to know chibe esere nga chire pad a month. If somebody knows, please tell me. Pads. Ile nga pads chigo cost a month in Kenya. A package. Toye tote vote toko mwana pad once a month. Chibe esere nga chire abego se a bag ye moya sanitary towels. And I'm assuming they won't use the whole bag. So 200 shillings, 300 shillings, irenge pad AM. Yani sasa ndiyo ga na machumo kango dil na machumo balimo ko your wife's pads. We say your children when they go to school. How much is sanitary towels? Rosa Ganante, but she has left. We would like to know how much that is. So that way, because I want to find a few friends to donate to me some sanitary towels. Where are they? Okay. So, Minto, when you come to the video, donate to the children. Give your 10 shillings, give your 100 shillings. The number is 717-583030. That is the cash M-Pesa number. Abantu balimole USA. Cash app is 856-304-3371. And if you have somebody who wants to donate online, balimole Canada, motari go to me a cash app. Osemutabu ati M-Pesa. Last year, some of you were telling me moriko nyara utomachibese. Now moko on the website amasase.org and donate through PayPal. Ningetaka hizi pads nijue ni how much. Oh, great. That is sad. 160, imagine. Somebody is bribing mwana with sex for 160 shillings, $1.60. So this is what we are going to donate towards these children. Yes, how are you? Have a blessed day. And be ready. Please join the group so we can decide so that way you're on the ground. But we want the regular members to stop by those homes and go and talk to those children, especially the sex talk. Kwanira bana bamura batebinga una bakorosia bana iga they are going to be held responsible. Nasawi.